Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create this Spotify duotone effect within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple process for you to follow, which you can implement on many types of designs. As I said there, Spotify, one of the biggest companies out there where we can download our favorite music from, is using this effect. So take what I show you today and really create some amazing, cool designs. Question should be, is how do we do it? That's why we're here today. I'll show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select everything here like so. We won't do that actually. We'll just press Shift on the top, click on the top layer, highlight it, Shift click that one there, and press backspace to remove. And as you can see, I have the original image available for me, and I have the type originally created there for me as well. So I'm just going to turn off the type layer for the minute and just concentrate on our lady friend here. So what I need to do is make a selection around this lady, and I'm going to use that using the object selection tool. So I'm going to come to this tool here. I'm going to come to select subject, let Photoshop do the work. And as you can see there, they've made a very good selection around this lady. And I'm just going to apply a layer mask through that icon there. Now I need to quickly just apply this layer mask. So I'm just going to right click on the layer mask. And as you can see, I have the option to apply it like so. Okay, so we need to create this duotone effect. All right. So the next step that you would need to apply is what we call a gradient map. So if I come to our adjustment layers here, we have one here called gradient map, and that's what we want to use. Okay, so we need to build the gradient colors within the gradient itself. So all I'm going to do is double click on this gradient bar here, which will bring up my gradient editor. I'm going to come to this stop here and click on the color, and we're going to put a particular code of 293261. Okay, so that's the blue of the Spotify duotone effect, and now we need to apply the green. So just click this color stop here, click on the color there, and we're going to put the color code in of 71DF6E. Okay, and there you can see we have the duotone effect. Let's just quickly turn on our type layer now for our chill vibes. Use your move tool if you want to move it a little bit like so. Wonderful. And that's how you create the Spotify duotone effect. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.